What's going on, Geeko family? How we doing and how we living? I got CEO Patch with me in this intro right now in the passenger seat. Yeah, it's good. We got Jacob. Oh, not Jacob. Jacob's actually driving the LSB in front of me right now. I don't know if you guys can see him. There he is, right there, LSB. And we got D and Drew in the LSB as well. And I got Irely in the back. Over to Euroklasse right now. We're in Corona off the 15-ish, going into Lake Elsinore. And yeah, now we're making our way to Escondido. We are so late. We're like beyond late. So we're gonna be basically putting up our food into the show already. So sorry, Euroklasse, if you're watching this. San Diego when your hat actually flew and wait, was it your glasses too? You lost two things that day, right?
I think I did lose both that day.
I think it was a hat and glasses. Oh wait, did you catch the glasses?
No, I caught the glasses.
But the hat decided to leave chat.
Yeah, hat left chat.
Hey buddy. Hey cutie. How you doing?
Sexy man.
You're good? You're here. Wow. Hey, if you ever get rid of that bucket seat, I'll take it for free.
Right now.
Wow.
Right now?
All right, guys, we made it over here to Euroklasse, Cars and Coffee out in, I guess, Escondido. We got the booth up already, as you guys can see the booth back there. We got Beamers, we got Supras, got everything. But there is a DJ playing in the back, so I'm gonna try my best to just get you guys some B-rolls, because it is fairly loud with the DJ. But let's get it, Geeko family. Hub dynos here. Really awesome meet so far. I love it when they run like open dynos and stuff like that. It gives the people to be, throw their car on, see how much power it's making. And personally, I'm a big Mustang dyno fan, but of course Mustang dynos just cost way too much. So all right, well, I'm hungry, so let's go eat. Celebrity right here. Back with F22. Fastest F22 in SoCal, dog.
Is your F80 outside?
The F80.
Yeah.
Yours?
Yeah.
What do you mean you're F80?
I think last year.
What the heck? When did this happen? I thought.
Last June, I picked it up.
Oh, dude, congrats, bro. Where's this thing at?
Right there, right out front.
The white one?
Yeah.
Wait, who drove this here?
I did. I gotta take the 2 Series back because they're gonna tune in one more time.
Wait, so how'd you drive 2 cars at once?
I already have this one here.
Yo, I did not know John got an F80 M3. This is sick. Oh, this is cool. Dang, with the big snail on it already? What a big snail. That's crazy. That's great. Vargas? Oh my god. That is, ooh, with the red guts interior. What do you mean, bro? That's clean.
We're going up to Orange County anymore.
Why not? Oh, because you got pulled over, huh?
Yeah. This one's a little low key.
Whatever, bro. Little low key with a big single turbo is wild, dude. That's wild. Well, congrats, bro. Heck yeah, man. Congrats, dude. That is sick. We gotta get a diamond on one of your cars, bro.
Diamond on this one.
Big single, dog. It's a big single mid for the big single turbo. With the sick steering wheel, though. Hey. Everyone's already leaving.
Industries produce.
All right, Kiko family, that about wraps it up for Euroklasse, and yeah, we're gonna start packing up now. Everyone pretty much left already. I don't know if I'm gonna get copyrighted for all the music in the background, but we're actually gonna pack up, and there's another meet happening, I think called Meister Works or Meister, yeah, I think Meister Works or something like that. We're gonna end up going over there. Just gonna pack up the tent. We're not gonna be boothing up on that one. We're just gonna stop by, check it out, and then probably dip from there and head back down to Orange County. So I'm gonna go ahead and vlog check out that. Drive by. Ooh, that is clean. So we're gonna check out that car meet down while we're here out in San Diego, and then from there, hopefully head back home to Orange County. Sonic's made it down here. Last time we were down here for Beamer Fest, it took a poop on me, and one of the injectors went out, which was cylinder 6. So hoping the car makes it back to Orange County today. We'll see. I did see a little bit of smoke coming out of the tailpipe, but I think that's just because of the residual of the water that's in the muffler. So, but yeah, that about wraps it up for Euroklasse, guys. If you guys enjoyed this video, go ahead, drop a like, subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell, just to make sure so you guys can be up to date with all my videos that I'm posting. I have so many old videos that I still need to post, but now we're in the new place. I got my office back up together, and I should be posting a lot more. So I know I keep saying this, but I need to make it a thing for the rest of 2026 and moving forward from there. So if you guys made it this far, I truly appreciate you guys. If you guys need anything, reach out. You already know. Let's get it.